The immediate aftermath of the crash landing of Asiana Airlines Flight 214. As passengers struggled to escape the wreckage, ambulances were on their way. But the newly released recordings of calls made to the US 911 service suggest much more help was needed.
Hello, California Patrol.
Hi, we are at the San Francisco International Airport, and we just got in a plane crash, and there are a lot of people that need help.
Yeah, and there
So
should
if
be
there's any way that ambulance can be sent.
Are you with a lot of the ambulances that are there?
No, they are not. We have people over here who weren't found, and they're burned really badly.
And then a few minutes later, a much more urgent call.
911 emergency, what are you reporting?
There's been a crash at San Francisco Airport. There are people injured on the tarmac, seriously injured. There's no ambulances.
Ma'am, we have reports of it. We're aware of the situation.
There are no ambulances here. We've been on the ground 20 minutes. Critical injuries. Hello?
Yes, I'm still here.
Okay.
Were you on the plane, ma'am?
Yes, I was on the plane. We've been on the ground, I don't know, 20 minutes to a half hour. There are people laying on the tarmac with critical injuries, head injuries. We're almost losing a woman here. We're trying to keep her alive.
2 passengers did die in the crash, and many more were injured. The investigations are focusing on the actions of 2 of the 4 Asiana Airlines crew who were in the plane's cockpit at the time. Although no conclusions have been reached, it's known that the pilot had little experience of flying the Boeing 777 and was being instructed by another pilot who was on his first training flight as an instructor. Dominic Kane, Al Jazeera.